In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use array with the class objects. First thing, I made a class called company, and then I set my variables in the private section. You're gonna notice here I didn't write any private or public because it's already private by default if I didn't write anything. First variable string a name and integer salary, integer years of working, integer check equal to false. You will see that what this variable do later in the program. Then in the public section, I made my first function. It just get information from the user, just a regular cout and cin for the name and salary and years of working. And then after this I made a little condition that tells me if this employee has more than 20 years of working in this company. If he has more than 20 years, he will get a salary increase by 20%. And then the check variable will goes to true. You will notice here it's false, and then after this if statement it will be true. And then the second function is just a regular print that will print me the name of the employee and the salary of the employee. And then this if statement that will tell me if the check variable that I made it in the private section, if this variable is true, that means that this employee has got a 20% increase in his salary. If it's false, that this employee didn't get any increase in his salary. And then in the main section, I made an object called n, and then I set the size of the array of this object to 3. That means that I'm gonna access this object 3 times. I'm gonna get the first employee informations and then print it, and then the second employee informations and then print it, and the third employee informations and print it. So I used a for loop for this. So let's test this program. First employee informations, let's write no. The salary 500, let's say 25 years. So the name no, the salary 600. You notice here that I wrote 500, but the salary increased by 20% because I have more than 20 years of working in this company. So the second employee, the salary, and then let's say 15. So you'll notice here the Ahmed did not get any increase in his salary.